Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. Today I'm going to show you lots of finger exercises based on episode 3, episode 5 and episode 7. So let's start, and this episode is especially designed for a hand abacus where you can learn how to move your fingers on the abacus. Please be careful about your fingers while moving on the abacus. Let's start. Number 1. If possible, please note these questions on your notebook. We are starting from number 1, place 7 like this, and 2 you can add here. Place 3 means we don't have beads, we have to borrow 10. To add 3 you have to reduce 7, add 10, minus 7, we don't have 7 here, so we have to borrow this 10 first reduce 10 and borrow 5 and reduce 2. This is 3-step subtraction based on episode 7. Next is 8, so first add 3, reduce 5, add 10. 3-step addition based on episode 7, and your answer is 1, 3, 13. Next, place 2. Next is 9. To add 9 you have to reduce 1, plus 10, reduce 1, reduce 7, you have to reduce 10 and add 3. This is based on episode 5. Add 9 means reduce 1, borrow 10. Your answer is 1 to 12. Number 3, first 4 and 3, you can add this 3 from this 5. To add 3, borrow 5, reduce 2 based on episode 3. 8, to add 8 you have to borrow this 10. First reduce 2 and borrow 10. Minus 6, you have to reduce this 6 from this 10 because we have only 5 here. First reduce 10 and add 6. Next is 9. To add 9, reduce 1 and borrow 10. Your answer is 1, 8, 18. 3, and next is 7. To add 7 you have to reduce 3, so borrow 10. Minus 8 means reduce 10, add 2. This is have to borrow 10, episode 5. Next is 9, reduce 1, add 10. Minus 6 means here we are going to use 3-step subtraction based on episode 7. Reduce 10, add 5, reduce 1, and your answer is 5. 1. Next is 8. Here we have 5 and 3, 8. You can do like this. 3, so we don't have 3 values here. We have to borrow this 10. To add 3 you have to reduce 7 and add 10. This is episode 5, how to borrow 10. Minus 6, here we have 2 bits here and one 10 value here. We have to use 3-step subtraction. Reduce 10, add 5, reduce 1 based on episode 7. Adding 7 means 5 and 2 equal to 7. 3-step addition based on episode 7. Add 2, reduce 5, add 10, and your answer is 1, 3, 13. So 9, another 9, reduce 1, borrow 10. Minus 4, you can reduce this 4 from this 5. Add 10, reduce 5. Number 6, 9, another 9, reduce 1, add 10. Minus 4, you have to reduce this 4 from this 5. To reduce 4 you have to add 1, reduce 5. Minus 8, here we have only 4 and 10. Here we have to borrow this 10 and applying 3-step subtraction. Reduce 10, add 5 and reduce 3. 6, add 1, reduce 5, add 10. Your answer is 1 to 12. 7, 6. Here we are going to apply 3-step addition. Add 1, reduce 5, add 10. Minus 8. Here one more time 3-step subtraction. Reduce 10, add 5, reduce 3. 9. One more time 3-step addition. Add 4, reduce 5, add 10. Minus 6. One more time 3-step subtraction. Reduce 5, add 5, reduce 1. And your answer is 8. 3 and 2. You can add this 2 from this 5. You are borrowing 5 means 2 and 3 are 5. You are adding 2 means you have to reduce these 3. 6. Here we are going to add 3-step technique. Add 1, reduce 5, add 10. Minus 6. One more time same step from opposite side. Reduce 10, add 5, reduce 1. One more time 6. Add 1, reduce 5, add 10. Your answer is 1, 1, 11. Hope you hope you like this episode. If you have any questions, please comment to me. I will definitely answer that. And next episode will be new technique. Till then, sayonara, bye bye, namaskar.